Aloha folks, how are you guys doing? Hope you had a groovy week. Bob Rogers here with Hawaiian Trike, and we're going to kind of continue our theme of last week as we talked about wandering. And last week we took you on a tour of some of the places that we had traveled in our RV for over 10 years. We're going to head out to the North Shore and show you where I like to wander today. I still like to. I've been to this spot hundreds of times, and I've ridden along there on regular bikes, mountain bikes, hybrids, and now I ride my trike, and I go out there once a week at least and ride along there. So I went out the other day and I said I'm just going to wander along this place that I've always been and see what I can come up with. I took the drone out with me and got some decent footage. Since we talked about wandering last week and viewed some of my history wandering around America, I thought we'd talk a little bit about my wandering habits here in the Hawaiian Islands. Those of you who have been following the channel have seen the different sites as we circumvent the island. Today we're going to visit my favorite wandering places, the North Shore of Oahu, where we find Kawela and Turtle Bays. Generally, as I wander and tour Oahu shorelines, I mostly see things from the view of my trike, looking out over the water. I thought today maybe I'd take a different perspective, looking back at the shoreline through the eyes of my drone. It's here that I can often feel the peace and tranquility of the ocean. I crave the rolling of the waves that seek and kiss the sandy shores, the curves of the shoreline as it meanders along the coast, and the unique etchings of submerged and sometimes exposed coral reefs. It's like nature's art to me, tourist world. It's like I'm visiting the Earth's living museum of fine art. The optical experience is at times overwhelming, a body of work that delivers wondrous joy and happiness. I hope you enjoy our visits. Alright, that's the west side of Turtle Bay, and that rock out there, that big little island. I had almost gone camping there once when I was a little kid, but then there were too many crabs on there, so I didn't go. Alright, we're heading over to Kawela Bay, and we'll take this path. I was going to try to catch a ride on the drone, but he said I was a little overweight, so we'll take the trike over and meet the drone over there. Hang on.
Right into a virgin shore, where the tides run to evermore. Or the traces in the sand
20 years ago, within 2 weeks after the tragedy of 9/11, I had written 3 songs. One was a USA rock anthem, one a sad song about the loss of loved ones, and this one about spreading aloha or love around the world. I'd like to send this out to all those affected by the Russian and Ukraine conflict, as we can only hope for its speedy end.
Do you see a little love in me? I want to share it across the sea. To all the people in different lands, we send aloha with our hula hands. I want to send a little love to you, a flower lay across the ocean blue. It should drift from where the trade winds play and reach your shores on another day. A little love, a little love, a little love goes a long, long way. A little love, a little love, a little love goes a long, long way. If you need a little love today, I'll send you some from where the palm trees sway. To your heart across the world so small, we send aloha to one and all. A little love, a little love, a little love, a little love, a little love goes a long, long way. A little love, a little love, a little love, a little love, a little love goes a long, long way. If you need a little love, won't you reach out to me? Well, I'll pick you some colors from a rainbow tree and wrap them in petals that fall from the sky and send you our love with arms open wide.
This song, A Little Love, never made it to either of our CDs. This is a Coconut Joe rehearsal recording of it. So as I wander around the world, it's my hope to spread a little aloha wherever I may go.
Do you see a little love in me? I want to share it across the sea. To all the people in different lands, we send aloha with our hula hands. Aloha li'i, aloha li'i, aloha li'i lo'i ka'ahele. Aloha li'i, aloha li'i, aloha li'i lo'i ka'ahele. A little love, a little love, a little love goes a long, long way. A little love, a little love, a little love goes a long, long way. A little love, a little love, a little love goes a long, long way. A little love, a little love, a little love goes a long, long way.
So that's my ride of today. I'm the happy wanderer. You guys be healthy, be safe, and of course, be happy. You guys be good. Have a great week. Aloha.
A little love goes a long, long way. A little love, a little love, a little love goes a long, long way. A little love, a little love, a little love goes a long, long way.